Yes, the company sent me this wireless trailer light kit, and this does everything you need. If you have a trailer that doesn't have lights, you need to put some on there just to get around and everything. These does really good. If you just have a trailer that the lights went out on, or you can put it on just about anything. And these are magnetic. Plus, they have a suction cup. Now, I'm going to show you how this works. Now, these lights do come with I've already got them out and everything with some metal plates. If you need to screw it onto something, it comes with an extra wire to hold them on just in case they come loose. And they come with a charging cable, and you can plug it in your vehicle to a cigarette lighter. So it does come with all of that. And how this works, first thing you do, they tell you to start your vehicle, turn your lights on, and plug in. Now this is a unit right here. This right here plugs into they have two different kinds. They have this right here, and they have the regular 3-prong right here that you can do. So you just plug it in, and now I just plugged it in right here. My pickup is running. Let's go over right here. This is my trailer right here. I just wanted to show you how it all works. And you turn them on the back right here. Let me show you right here. This will fold down where you can get to it. You've got an on-off button right here on these. Now you do need to charge them. Right here's your charging port right there. Make sure you get that closed and everything, and then you fold up. So when I did that, see, my lights came on. Now I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to turn the right signal on. So you got an arrow right here that's pointing it. I'm going to turn the other side on. There you go. That's the blinkers. I'm going to hit the brakes. See, they both come on. It even has flashers. So it does everything that your car does, but it does it just with it being wireless. This is a fantastic circumstance to have. And again, you can tie these on, like on this one right here. I take that wire that comes with and I loop it around here. Or if it's on the back of a bumper, you can wrap the wire around the bumper, whatever. But that way, just in case, but these things are super strong battery. Magnet, and you got to pull real hard to get them off. But don't try to pull straight off. Slide them off from the side. It just works so much better. So this is a really good product. I think this is one. Everybody that owns a trailer ought to have an extra pair, or have a pair, because you never know when you're going to go somewhere and your trailer lights aren't going to work. You're on the side of the road. You can't do anything. Throw these things on and you have lights.